Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Grange Headteacher CCCU Assembly. It's the week of the 15th of March, and we are back at school. We know our Grange CC way. We know confidence for ourselves, consideration for the whole world, for everyone around us. That's our philosophy for life. And today, what I wanted to speak about, you can see there's a little child in this picture, and you can see on her face, she is so happy. She's just enjoying life. And what I want to speak about is when we see something wonderful, that might be something in nature, or it might be somebody doing some wonderful thing. That is when it's good for us to just appreciate beauty and excellence. So if we see somebody doing something really nice, we don't have to think, oh, they're better than me. Or we don't have to think, oh, what does that mean for me? If we see something that is wonderful, if we see somebody being wonderful, all we need to do is just say, wow, that is wonderful. That's amazing. Well done. So if you see something wonderful, if you see somebody doing something wonderful, if one of your friends shares, if one of your friends is caring, you say, wow, well done. That's wonderful. And that is something good for all of us. This is just a little clip to say to all of you, you are brilliant. You made it your first week back to in-school learning and no more online learning. Hopefully we're in school. Well done to all of you. You've been brilliant. You're the bounce back kids. And remember, we've got our Great Grange quiz coming up on the 30th of March. So please get your parents to sign up. Remember, it's on Let's Localize. Sign up for the quiz on the 30th of March. It's such a wonderful time. So who were the gold people this week? Well done, Kayana. Well done, Edward. Well done, Jamal. Well done, Yasmin. Well done, Nur. Well done, Moaz. Well done, Manal. Well done, Parthiv. Well done, Eva. Well done, Sophia Y. Well done to all of you brilliant goals people. Who are my classy classes? Well, Bob Marley class have done brilliantly this week. They had 179 points. Well done, Bob Marley class. Everything's going to be all right. We've got Alan Turing class with 297 points. Brilliant work, Alan Turing class. You are the problem solvers of Grange. But our classy class of the week, it's Lada Equino class in nursery with 514 points. You are brilliant. You learn and you thrive and you do so well. We're proud of you. Remember, we've had Freddie visit us and the reindeers visit us. I've got to go get those pot plants. I wrote an email to Mr. Hutchinson and Ms. Padian this weekend so I can go and get the pot plants for the classy classes from last half term. But for this half term, classy class, we're going to get to do, the classy class is going to get to do handprints, color paint handprints on the wall, on the service road, on the side, which should be a lot of fun. You'll just have to get a bit messy. So we're going to be great. We're going to be Grange. When any of our friends do anything amazing, when any of our teachers do anything amazing, when we just see beautiful stuff around us, like maybe a wonderful sunset or just having a great time, we say to the person who's doing great stuff, well done. Thank you for sharing. Well done. Thank you for caring. Well done. Brilliant listening. Well done. Kind actions. Well done. We admire and appreciate beauty and excellence. Let's live our lives with confidence and consideration. Let's enjoy the week ahead. Let's be safe and happy. Let's learn together. Let's respect each other. Let's achieve our potential. Let's remember to say well done when we see somebody doing something good. And let's remember to say how wonderful when we see beautiful things in the world. Let's be great. Let's be Grange.